Hi, mathematicians. Today we're starting lesson 28, session 1. We're on page 639 in your math books. There's a bunch of beautiful seashells down at the bottom of the page. And this week what we're doing is we're adding 2-digit numbers plus 1-digit numbers. So for example, this is a 2-digit number, 1, 2, plus a 1-digit number. Remember, a digit is a number 0 through 9. Can you dig it? Right? Because digit is like this, digit, but really it's digit. So we say, what's a digit? 0 through 9. Can you dig it? Get it? Dig it? So we're adding 2-digit numbers plus 1-digit numbers this week. And that's what we're doing. So we're going to go over a bunch of different strategies. All that you need to know is to find one that works best for you and try the strategy. So if they're telling you to do a strategy, try that strategy. Doesn't mean you have to use it forever and ever, but just give it a shot and see how you like it. It's going to help grow that big brain of yours even bigger. All right, so on page 639, it has a word problem. So the first thing you're going to do is circle the numbers, and then you're going to look for the word clue. What are we doing? Well, we know we're adding this week, but it's still always a good reminder to always be looking for those word clues. So it says Blake collects 23 seashells. He finds 4 more. So you're going to circle 23 and 4 and put a box around more because that is your word clues. Word clue. How many seashells does he have now? There's a bunch of different ways you could do this. It says try it. So I want you to go ahead and try it. But down at the bottom, it says 23 and 4 more. So we're going to be adding, and then you're going to tell us how many seashells he has. At the bottom of your page, it has a spot for that, seashells. Okay? So there's a couple of different ways you can do this. We've done number line, we've done tens frames, we've done stacking, we've done hot tamales, ouch, we've done base 10. So it's up to you, but I'm going to go ahead and do what we've been working on lately, which is base 10. So I'm going to draw 20 and then 3 more. And then I'm going to draw 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to count on with those. I have 23. I don't need to count it because I already did it. 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 seashells. If you wanted to do it on a number line, you would start at 23, and then we're going to hop 4 more jumps. So I'll do 24, 25, 26, 27, and I'm going to keep going just because I'm pretending like I don't know what the answer is. So I start at 23, and then I'm going to take 4 jumps. And because I'm adding, I move to the right on my number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Label your jumps. +1, +1, +1, +1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Circle where you land. 23 plus 4 is 27. Then the next page says 35 children are at Jada's party. 4 more children come to the party. How many children are at Jada's party? So 35 children are there, 4 more come. So we're doing 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4. So let's see what we have. They gave you a number chart, just a little snippet of it. And so we're doing 35 plus 4. So 35. And then actually you're probably hearing Mia. She wants to say hi. She can't come in. All right. So what a hundreds chart is, what they gave you, is really a number line. So I'm going to draw the number line kind of like it would be in the hundreds chart. So you have 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then over here is 40. So mine's a little bit scrunched, but you get the idea. So 35 plus 4, start at 35. You're going to jump forward 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, circle where you land. 39. So now you know 34 plus 9. Another way that I talked about was where you put a box around the tens and then you underline the ones and you add up the tens. 3 plus, really it's 0. It's 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. Smush them together and you get 39. So there are 39 children at Jada's party. That's an awesome birthday party. Wow. Turn the page. We're going to be doing our practice work for this week. And this again is an example that you can use words, numbers, drawings, models. So it says, think about what you know about ones. Fill in each box. Use words, numbers, and pictures. Show as many ideas as you can. So in the center, it says ones. And then you have a spot here, a spot there, and there, and there. So we can do, this is 8 ones. And I did it like a tens frame, just missing the lines. So 5 and 5, missing 2, 9, 10. I know I have 8 ones, okay? Ones looks like this, 1, 1. And I can also write it like this, 1. There you go. Another example is like in my last one, I had 23. These are the ones. So it's showing you which one are the ones. Here I'm writing it with a base 10. Sorry, that was not, oh no, I'm sorry, it's not base 10. That's a digit. This is like the number 1. Here, I'll draw it like that. Okay, 1, 1 dot, 1 with letters or the words, okay? If I take 23 and I take 23 and I break it into ones, I have 23 is equal to 2 tens and 3 ones. But I could also break it down into 23 equals 23 ones like we did a few weeks ago. We said, oh, it's this many tens, 2 tens and 3 ones. Or if I break these tens apart, I end up with 23 ones because there's 10 here, 20, 23. So these are all the ways, and I'm sure there's tons more that you could talk about ones. So again, take your time, write this down if you need to. I'm getting ready to move on though. Number 2 down below says, Jack says 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. So Jack says 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. It's kind of like what we just talked about. Maya says 24 has 24 ones. Who is right? Why? So one person says 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. The other person says 24 is 24 ones. Well, they are both right. They're both right because 24 could be written like this, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it also has 10 in each of those, which makes 10, 20 plus 4 is 24. So they're both right. Problem number 3, solve the problem, then show your work. So problem number 3 is 21 children are on a bus. 5 more get on the bus. How many children are on the bus? And your word clue is more. They don't tell you that you're adding, they just give you that word clue, but we know we can put in the plus sign because we know we're adding. So then I'm going to draw the number line, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26. And I'm going to start out at 21. And I'm going to jump forward 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we're adding. So we're going to go this way. We're going to go to the right on the number line. Put your hands up. The left makes an L. And so we know we're adding. The numbers are getting bigger. We're ending with the biggest number because we're adding. Circle where you land, 26. Label your jumps, +1. You should have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. We land on 26. Nice job. There are 26 children on the bus. So tomorrow we will continue and we'll work on more strategies. Today was really the number line. And I know some of you it's hard and some of you it's not. So thank you for those of you that it is hard that you kept trying. Good job. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.